Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Inventor. In this tutorial, you'll learn to use the Extrude, full round fillet, and mirror. So open the Inventor and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create these 4 lines here. This line here has 8 millimeters of length. This line here has 8 millimeters. And this line here has 16 millimeters. And the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 60 millimeters. Because the midpoint is here. So we have 30 millimeters, the distance between this point and this point here. That is the half of 60 millimeters. And the radius here is 30 millimeters because the diameter is 60. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select the right plane. Select line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 8 millimeters. And make another line here. And this line here has 16 millimeters. And go to constraints and select equal. Select this line here and this one. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line here and the midpoint is 60 millimeters. We made this one. And now we will create this line here, this line here, and a line here in the center. This line here has 12 millimeters of length, and it is vertical with this line here. So let's create this. Select line again. Click here on this point. Make a line here. It must be vertical with this point. And this line here has 12 millimeters. And make a line here coincident with the midpoint. And here, let me see. It is moving. So here we'll go to vertical. Constraint, select this point and this point here. Sorry, it will be horizontal. Okay, we made this one. And now finish the sketch. And we need to extrude this 60 millimeters. So go to extrude, select this profile. The direction here, select symmetric, and the distance 60 millimeters. And press OK. We made this one. And now we will create the fillet here. It is a full round fillet. So let's create this. Go to fillet and select the full round fillet here. And A face, the center face, and the B face. And press OK. We made this one. And now we will create this hole here. This hole has 17 millimeters of diameter through all this body. And this hole is concentric with this arc. So let's create. Go to create a sketch, select this face, and select a circle. Make a circle here in the center with 17 millimeters of diameter. And here, go to constraints and select concentric. And select this arc here and this circle. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude. And the output, select cut. And the distance here through all. And press OK. And now to create the other side, we will use the mirror because it is a symmetric part. So go to mirror and here select the features. And select this body here, the full round fillet, and this extrusion, the features, and the mirror plane. select this face and press OK. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise, so thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.